Hello, this is Martin from Secrets, the channel for learning about trading and investing. Welcome to Markets Tomorrow, the daily quick stock market analysis where we look at the technical charts and try to understand what happened in the market and then plan for a better trade for the next day. That's December 20th, Wednesday, tomorrow, 2023. So we had a range bound, volatile, and finally an indecisive close set happened on the top. The market was very close to the all-time high. In fact, Nifty did make a new all-time high at about 21,500. So let's check the charts and understand more. Before that, if you're not subscribed and watching this, please subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues so that it reaches out to all. Let's deep dive the charts. We'll come back to this wrap up after a while. So here we go. Let's see the candlesticks one by one. Begin with Nifty. It's a doji. It's indecisive because of the small body. This long wick size indicates the volatility and the reversal that happened, and it's at the very top. Banknifty, it's almost like a doji, but it's neither doji because body is little big nor a hammer because wick on the top is little big. So you can say it's small body, so every small body is indecisive and it's at the top. Basically it's consolidating last 2 days basically. Nifty also consolidating since last 2 days. And we are at the all-time highs today. In fact, it went above the previous day's candle and then made a new all-time high, very few points, and then reversed. 21,504 is 4.50 is the new all-time high on Nifty. Banknifty, that kind of move did not happen, but basically it's very visible that it's in the top of the trendline channel. It's at 78.6 Fibonacci extension levels, very top. Fibonacci extension used to project how far it can go from the swing lows. So swing from here, so low, and then it has gone beyond 78.6. So it's virtually waiting for the correction to happen. It did went down a bit, but the bullishness is still there. Basically it's consolidating. So last time, remember, we had a consolidation of 7 days before the breakout happened. So we now know whether this time the consolidation is to break down instead of up or to break out on the upside. You never know that. That's what is basically happening. So what we can do is probability study of support and resistance. So if it breaks out from here, first hurdle will be the 21,500, retaining that, and then after that 21,600, 700, 800, likewise towards 22k. It's unwanted free, and that's how resistances work. So there is more likelihood that it consolidates and do some corrections as well. So if that is the case, that's what happens. Support could come in as a gap 21,200. That's 300 points, roughly downside. After that, you have the Fibonacci retracement level coming at 2900 zone and Fibonacci extension level at 2950. So 2900, 950, and the 21,000 rounding number. So that 200 points zone is going to be very crucial if it loses the 2120 gap also. So after that, you have 2700, which is actually the next gap support. That's exactly where the 20 exponential moving average also is coming. Right, so that would be a reasonable correction that could happen. 600, 700, 800 points will be a decent correction zone that we can target for the coming days, not exactly for tomorrow. So let's look at the Banknifty here. Remember, we have a weekly expiry of Banknifty there. Banknifty also has formed a small body in this. It's consolidating and it's at the very top of it, and so also at the 78.6 Fibonacci extension. So the first major support that could come in is first immediate support come in at 47, 600, 500, that zone. Right, that's where the breakout happens. So there could be some support and consolidation in that range. If that bridges, the next support will come in at 48,850 and 48,800, that zones, which is a Fibonacci's 23 retracement level as well as a 61 Fibonacci extension levels. Right, so after that, 46,500 was a gap support, which is coming in confluence with the 20 exponential moving average as well. So that could be a zone of the best support that we can get is 46,500 zone, right, which would be reasonable 700, 800 points of retracement as well. So that's our levels at support and resistance on Nifty and the Banknifty that you can see. Now let's just wrap it up. Yes, it's a second day of pause and basically we're consolidating. The close is flat, close the tube, flat 34 points plus Nifty indecisive. Closes much above 21,450. Remember, we had a 26% rally from the bottom. Immediate swing low rally itself is 13%. Banknifty is flat positive and doji and a hammer small body again decisive. But it managed to close above still 47.8, 15, 25% land. So it's a flat close today, 3 points plus, that's all. Right? Intraday it was range bound, V shape, up and down, range bound. Finally a flat close on both indices. Fyers were selling very little yesterday, and previous to that they were buying big time, 9,000 crores and all that. Last 4 or 5 weeks they had been buying. Fyers have been buying. Yesterday there was small selling, that you cannot call that selling. Right? Remember, 17 weeks of big selling was what was happening from the Fyers. So today they have sold little more. Fyers 601 crores is what the selling is coming to. Right? That's today's selling. So 2 days of selling, but it's okay as long as they come back as big buyers, just like how they did it last time. Last Friday or something, where 9,000 crores of buying came in. So if I selling is a worry, and market is at the top, very due for a correction and then consolidating. So this kind of selling, when it comes, this gives one more confirmation that there may be some corrections that may come in anytime. Now the resistance zones have been already discussed, that Nifty and the Banknifty already. Right? If you have not listened to that, you can reconfirm that from this. Correlate this with the open interest levels, and you can come to a place where the maximum support resistance comes in, and then place your bets on that. Momentum is still bullish, right? But it's falling slightly, and it's flattish on the Banknifty, falling on the Nifty slightly. But yeah, momentum is still bullish. VIX is not doing anything. It's near the 14 level, 13.8 is what. So flat close today. So which is not doing anything when the market is at the very top. Still, the fear that it's at the very top is reflected in the VIX. You can say it's not much of cool off has happened when the market was moved up around 13% of move has happened, which has not cooled off as much as expected. It always remained about 12 since the last 1 month or so when the rally had begun. Yeah, so golden demand is also showing upside an expansion of the upside. No contraction indications are there as of now. Technically, the charts are bullish, no doubt over that. But sectorial, there's some reds that have started appearing. Right, so only 2 sectors did close positive: FMCG and pharma. FMCG has done well, nearly 1%. So all the sectors, if you see, otherwise the bullish momentum is there across the sectors. Momentum is bullish still. That way it's fine. But heavyweight stocks are contributed maximum. Right, there also some red has come in. All of them closed negative, except the Reliance and the ITC that closed, 1.5%, 1% like that. Right. So yeah, but bullish momentum is there across all the other heavyweights, right? So so that's it. So US indices, if you see, they are at the top. Some green is there. Some are touching the all-time highs. Only S&P 500 has touched the all-time high yet, and it's just broken out already. And the rally had happened the day the Fed indicated of more rate cuts in the coming year. So that's where our rally also, second breakout in our markets also happened. So that's still there. There's no reversal retracement that has happened there. But US markets have not gone as much as our markets have gone. So yeah, keep that in mind. The dollar has fallen slightly. Rupees remains to be weak in this green spike. The crude oil also spiking at the bottom, but remember crude is at 70 levels, and a big fall has happened. And gold is spiking after having made a all-time high. It has fallen prey to the profit booking or resistances, and then trying to consolidate to the top itself as of now. So this is time for momentum investing. Wait for the small dips to buy in, as there be more quality stocks. If it all dip comes in, value investing is, you may have to wait for bigger swing lows to happen. So for the trader, the direction is very clear, it's upside, but that be extremely cautious because the vertical moves, 2 breakouts in 1 month, big moves of thousands and 1,500s, just in a matter of 2-3 weeks is what is happening. And obviously corrections has to come, otherwise it's not healthy. And so the question is how strong or how long this correction is. So right now what you're seeing in the last 2 days is consolidation. So this consolidation can turn out to be anything on the upside or downside. So Slight caution has to be there as it has to be exercised. So tomorrow bank Nifty expiry levels that the OI is indicating is 47,800 and 48,000 as you see here, right? So you can see the resistance at 48,000 is going to be a hurdle for the bank Nifty. If that is clear, then it can move violently. But call riders will place all their bets right at that point. So watch out for that 48K is for tomorrow. Downside lot of support at 47,800, 47,500. Likewise, chartically we know what the levels are. Right. Bank Nifty the levels. Major supports are coming at 48,800 early. First one will come at 47,500. That's matching with the second level of highest call and put writing. Highest level of put writing basically, right? So it's on the top, right? Due for correction. Keep that in mind. Major resistance now is seen at 48K. That's what it's talking about. That's all I have. Protect your capital when the VIX is spiking further over towards 20. Cut short your position size, manage your risk so that you remain in the game and have hedge positions. Don't take naked positions without hedges, right? So yeah, it's time for investing as well if the dip is coming, right? That's all I have. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe and share to friends and colleagues. Thanks for watching. Happy trading, happy learning. Bye bye.